Hello gorgeous people, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. Recently the brand Zoeva released a new makeup collection and I ordered 2 products from this collection. With this occasion I ordered 2 new Zoeva brushes. First is 232 Luxe Classic Shader Brush. The price of this brush is £10 and is made from a blend of natural and synthetic hair. And the second is 235 Contour Shader Brush. The price of this brush is £10 too and is made 100% synthetic hair. Okay, from the new Zoeva collection I choose to try the new Infinite Potential Mascara Full Volume. I choose to buy the travel size because I have so many opened mascara and I don't want to waste them, I want to use them. The packaging is chic, simple and cute. And the second product chosen is Together We Shine Travel Size Eyeshadow Palette. Zoeva claims that this is a new vegan eyeshadow formula. The price of this palette here in the UK is £15 and inside we have 6 warm shades. Let's swatch them. And here we have Sincerity, Inspiration, Friendship, Loyalty, Warmth and Powerful. All 3 metallic shades looks gorgeous. Let's try them. For transition I will take the shade Loyalty and with Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease Brush I will apply it on the crease. The shade is nice, it's exactly what I need for a transition shade. Next I will take the shade Warmth and with MAC 221S brush I will apply it on the crease on the top of the previous shade. For the outer corner of the eye I will take the shade Powerful and with my new 235 Contour Shader Brush I will pop it on the outer corner of the eye as I said. I find this shade a bit patchy and a bit hard to blend. Here I took the previous large blending brush and I'm blending the edges. Next I will take the shade Inspiration. It is a beautiful nude pink metallic shade and with 232 Classic Shader Brush I will apply it on the entire eyelid. Well, this shade is something. It's pigmented, is opaque, with 1 layer, looks beautiful and intense. I apply the second layer only to see if will be a difference and nope, for me 1 layer is enough. For lower lash line I will use the same Inspiration and Powerful shades. Today I didn't use the shade Friendship and the shade Sincerity, but I promise that I will do a quick makeup video and I will try them. Now it's time to try the Infinite Potential Mascara Full Volume. I want to see the brush. It has a very big and fat brush. This brush looks similar with Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brand Mascara brush. What do you think? For me, they look the same. Well guys, I don't like the mascara at all. My lashes are straight and I like when mascara gives volume to the lashes. This is what I'm looking for in a mascara and this Zoeva mascara do not do that. My lashes look straight and bored. And this is visible. Ta-da! About Together We Shine eyeshadow palette, I like it a lot. The metallic Inspiration shade is lovely. This is the shade I like the most. I promise that I will try on the others 2 metallic shades. About the matte shade, they are nice too, is to apply. The shade Powerful, I find it a bit patchy and needs some extra time to blend out, but the shade Loyalty and Warmth was lovely. Okay guys, and this was today's video. I hope you will like it and you will find it useful. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!